Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog and welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today is Tuesday the 6th of August and I'm narrowing down to I'm counting my days here in Turkey, Istanbul, because I have to go home. Today I am having cramps so bad. It's the first day of my period and also I'm feeling so rusty. I feel like getting myself together will put me in the best mood. And I am taking down my 1-month-old braids right now. As you can see, I'm sitting on the toilet seat and I am watching Too Hot to Handle while taking this down. I don't want to do it anywhere else apart from the bathroom because it usually gets too messy. So yeah, take my braids down with me, and I have nothing planned out for this week. Let's just see what goes on this week because child, I'm just sitting at home all the time. 99% of the time I am at home, so either cooking, watching things, or just sitting down like that. Almost forgot that I'm actually vlogging. So today, right now, I am going to the market to go get some things that I think I would need. So I'm just going to look around. I'm going to check out the beauty supply store, which is gratis here in Istanbul. They sell beauty supplies, and I'm also going to the shops and see if I can find some few outfits for myself and also for my siblings. Hi Kitty, because I haven't seen them in 3 years and I think they would be expecting me to get them something. So yeah, I'm just going to check around and see what I can find that I can take along with me. So yeah, tell me why this cat is following me. Hi. Meow. Hi. It's the next day. I look so good this morning. But anyways, today I am going for some errands, but later in the day I'll be going to get some packaging stuffs for my baking stuffs to ship them back home. And yeah, so I need some packaging stuff, some boxes, and the protective something, that thing that pops. Yeah, that's what I need for today. Morning. It's actually 6 a.m. right now, and I stayed up all night doing my hair, and it actually turned out so beautiful. I've not done mini twist in a while, so I decided to do it. Yeah, and this actually looks so gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later when I complete the packing of my stuffs and shipping them. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just going to go ahead and close this video here, because if not I'll just forget to close this video. So basically I have tons of things to do still. I have to try and sell out my furniture so it won't be like difficult for anyone coming here, and plus most of it, the bed is already a bit spoiled. So yeah, so I want to like let go of my furniture and make sure that everything is clear here. So yeah guys, and see you in my next vlog. I'll probably be doing a travel prep where you're gonna pack with me, nails, everything, travel. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see in future videos, and hopefully we'll have different content in Gambia, since I am looking forward to a lot of things, and hopefully I'll vlog everything. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.